The aconite. Yeah, this is the bee crack of the century. The bees love it. It gets a couple of weeks. The blue flowers are just starting to come on, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to peek in here and see if, yep, we're going to look here. Now, up here, let me zoom in, there's a mason bee just emerged from the mason bee house. Cute. So they'll fly around, and he's going to warm up here. He just came out of the house. Trying to hold his camera very still. And there he is. Oh, he's a little bit unsteady still. Oh, get up there, dude. And there's another one emerging. He's gonna crawl out, gonna warm himself up.